Hey everyone, it's David Stroud. I'm a senior loan officer, and I want to talk with you quickly about renovation loans and how they can help save your deal, specifically if the appraisal comes in low. Let's say you're purchasing a house for $400,000. The appraisal comes in at $390,000, $10,000 short. What do? Well, either the seller drops the price, the buyer pays the difference, or some sort of combination of the two. And if not, then the deal dies. Well, an FHA 203K or renovation loan can help save the day. That loan can be grossed up based on the value by 110%. So it came in at 390, grossed up by 110%. Now you're going to have the new appraised value at $429,000, and the deal works. Now there's also the option of going with a VA loan and a conventional loan, which are also renovation, or as I like to refer to them as remodel loans. And what happens is the value of the home is based upon what the estimated value will be after some different work has been done. And so let's say you want to get new carpet, just go get a bid from Home Depot. Let's say it's $10,000, recarpet the entire house, new carpet gets installed, and everything's done. The deal closes and it's easy. Or maybe there's some other things you want to do, but that's the simplest way you can do it. And the deal works. Everyone gets what they want, and you get new carpet or new countertops or whatever it might be. And the house is improved and it's remodeled and beautified. If you have more questions, please hit me up. Share this with other people you think they might find it interesting, and we can talk. Thanks again, David Stroud.